Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see what BTC chart will tell us today. By the way, if you're already just enjoying from the content, please like the videos and subscribe to my channel, which helps the YouTube algorithm to reach to more people, and of course you will get top crypto technical analysis on a daily basis. Okay, right before the BTC, let's jump on DXY. We spoke about DXY more than a week ago, I believe, because it's on a higher time frame. We don't need to look into them every day. As you remember, this support 1 really worked well, and we were actually in this zone before, yeah, and it came, it held not only support zone, it was confluencing with our midline of this parallel channel. And I showed you this support zone is just coming all the way from 2018, I believe, yeah, beginning of the 2018. You can see how it worked, how it acted as a support and resistance. Came, broke it, acted as a support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, last try, and then to the north. So this is a very crucial area that we've been following again. What I'm waiting is, and that's why the reason I explained in the previous videos, if you haven't watched, why I'm showing this, how it's confluencing with the BTC, I'm going to just touch it quickly. If the XY dumps dollar index, possibly BTC will pump, or vice versa. So in the last video we said we will highly likely we're going to stop here, and we're probably testing 91.8, or we can go even up to 92.5. In the coming weeks we're going to follow closely, and therefore this price action is just gave a BTC pump. That's why a couple of days actually we are in a consolidation zone for the BTC. Let's move on to BTC now. We're going to jump onto Twitter, and I'm going to share, yesterday after I posted the video, I added some support lines. I said nothing changed, still following the same structure as I explained all in today's video. We'll be watching high time frames, which doesn't look good, where I touched on a bit in today's video. We'll explain in details in the coming videos. So in today's video we're going to touch in details on a higher time frame, from the swing low to the swing high, exactly dumped on a 618, and it went as expected exactly from this level. That I cannot see exactly what level was, so I gave that one, and I said daily doesn't look strong. And let's see the next update. By the way, if you want to follow me, you can follow me at Twitter, CryptoMagnate8, CryptoMagnate8, so you don't miss any updates. Then 5 hours ago I updated, so you can see exactly it just came dollar to dollar again. It just tested the support line, and what I said is 11th of December BTC, as it was mentioned in the previous videos, that we'll be seeing a momentum in the next 24-48 hours. I said it when the BTC was around here, that I'm seeing some sort of momentum within 20-48 hours, and exactly after it couldn't cross the resistance, we saw last couple of days, that's literally over 24 hours, we saw some small momentum on the lower time frame. There is some movement on the market. Having said that, we're still in our support zone here. I'm expecting that it should hold. A detailed explanation will be in today's video. So you can see it's keep printing higher lows. And earlier on, again 2 hours ago, I updated BTC 11th of December, second update. For now, as we expected, the previous post, the support is doing its job, and also we have a potential bullish divergence on the 4 hour time frame. So price and bullish divergence on our side. Watching closely. Let's move on. Again, if you want to follow me, if you don't want to miss such updates, instant updates, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8. So why did I take those lines actually? In the previous videos as well, some of the people start asking, DMing me about their levels, support and resistance, where to buy and where to sell, and they want to go into leverage. However, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing for the educational purposes. Whether you're going to take that trade or no on leverage or not leverage, it's up to you. However, leverage is very risky business. If you don't know what you're doing, please be careful. And my DM is always open. If you want to DM me with reasonable questions, always welcome. CryptoMagnate8. Let's move on. As we said, went up, came down, hold exactly dollar to dollar. Now it's fighting again on the spot on this line. What I'm expecting actually to, on a weekend, all I can say is weekend, as long as we don't see some sort of quick nasty wicks on the BTC chart movements, probably we will be between these zones. I'm expecting around here, but more likely we will see how the 15,600 will react, actually this resistance zone. If it manages to close above, we can test 18,800 and up to 850, 900 zone, but we will see what will happen in the next 48 hours. Also, it looks a bit messy. As you can see, came 618 golden zone, as well as it's confluencing the support line, and we break it actually this parallel channel, lower channel, and came, and now it's just strong resistance ahead of us. 5 level, another golden level, as well as we've got lower channels is acting now resistance. It was acting as a support, broken, and now we will see. But I'm expecting in the coming hours we may just break it. Now we will be moving on a daily. We will see what the daily will offer us. One, we need to be careful about lower highs, as we mentioned, and a bear divergence right in here. Once we're going to break it, we'll do it again, something like that, and then we'll make go down. Watching closely. 2 days, similar scenario, lower highs and bear divergence. And also on 3 days, it's very interesting, it's trying to print a bear divergence. However, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days is not confirmed yet. Make sure, bear in your mind. And I would like to show you actually this on 3 days chart, this candle, which is a bear engulfing, and we will see how this candle will react actually after 2 days, 9 hours. But this is not really a good sign on the higher time frame. It is going to be healthy, but nothing to worry about it. And I'm going to touch quickly on a weekly, but I will come to that one in tomorrow's videos in details. I've been following this candle last week, and I said if we're going to close, however, from literally this line, 18,170 zone, it is very hard for this week to, last week it was so hard for the bears actually push it down. However, I said it is more likely we will follow this week, and if we're going to close below 18,190, 70 zone, that's going to be another bear engulfing in a weekly. In the coming, actually on Sunday probably, I will be covering this. We're just following closely. If you're enjoying from the content, please like the videos and subscribe to my channel, which helps the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get top crypto technical analysis on a daily basis. We'll be moving on to XRP. Let's see what XRP is doing. So we've been following actually lower highs, and one could have actually got this. That's going to be educational. You're going to take usual, we covered a lot actually in our channel, this triangle. You're going to take from the swing low to the swing high. You're going to make your target, and the target will be around 92 cents, 95 cents upside if it broke. If it broke downwards, it would have 24 cents. However, there are a lot of resistance, support and resistance out there. So yeah, I'm repeating again and again. So this type of patterns is just not really something reliable. It makes the people too excited, and then broke it, actually, you know, stopped out and gave it actually high with this candle the other day. So it's not really something reliable. I would suggest like literally play with a classical support and resistance, and once you're gonna flip it over, retest, you can take it, and you're gonna use a very tight stop loss as well. What we can see is, as I mentioned actually in previous videos, after this, the last update was, I said we're gonna be around here, we will consolidate. Yeah, I added today this box. We might go, let's see where is our support and resistance. This is our support and resistance that you saw exactly, and let's see whether it matches with, yeah, it's just matching exactly with 786. And when you're going to lose actually this, you've got minor actually support down there. Once you lose, it just means we're gonna changing the trend. However, from my side, I can say like 35-40% we're entering into bearish zone. However, it's not confirmed yet. These are the actually support and resistance zones that we will be following in the coming days, but I'm again expecting something like that, and possible rejection probably will be there. Now we've got 382. If we're gonna flip it over, then you might consider to take a bullish, but it will be updated. And let's see what is, yeah, now we don't need this. Now again, it's confluencing with our parallel channel that I've been following for some time. Once again, flip it, that's going to be 60 now. As I said, time to time, support resistance is going to get changed. And the next one, we have Ethereum. However, don't take this support and resistance zone seriously because it's not updated, but I'm going to update thoroughly like in tomorrow's videos. We're going to go to in details actually with Eth Xrp. Again, the same thing. If you would have actually FOMO'd and you took it this 670 below, once we broke it, it's supposed to be right on our daily, the support line 480. What happened is just a fake out. What I'm following is actually now is, could this be a W-shaped recovery? If it happens, actually this is a neckline, that's going to be a neckline. Once we break it, retest, and then you can take it, you might take it long. So triangles always, like, it's not, as I said, it's just a 50-50. Support and resistance flipping is the best option that you can take. We will come back to Ethereum in tomorrow's video for a full technical analysis. Stay tuned. This is all for today. Thanks very much for your watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.